Hello guys, in this tutorial series I will show you how to make this low poly stylized tree in Blender, and this series will be beginner friendly, but you will have to know the basic of Blender, so for example how to navigate around Blender, and yeah, I think that's it for for basic stuff. And I'll split this series into several parts, which will be modeling, unwrapping as the second, and third one will be texturing. So in first part I will show you how I made this tree, the bark, which is awful, but you can see it, so it doesn't matter, and the leaves. I basically made one leaves and duplicated, so all these leaves are the same. Yeah, but I just rotate them so maybe you can see it. Okay, here you can see the similarities, but if I didn't tell you that, maybe you haven't seen that. Okay, so this is pure model, and I will do one more episode at the end with rendering in Eevee. So here's a preview of that. Yeah, so here you have my computer is quite slow, so you can experience a low frame rate. So here is yeah, the stylized tree. I haven't finished the post-processing stuff, but if you would like to see this part, just let me know in the comments, and I will do an episode about lightning and setup to render this tree. But yeah, I think it looks very good for me. And here's the textures. They are very simple, very simple. Maybe the bark is a bit harder, but as you can see, I painted only the base because the rest is not visible, so I don't care. And I think it's quite simple, but it's time consuming, so you'll have to spend a little more time on it. Okay, so this is an introduction video, so in the next part we will start modeling. Okay, so see you guys in the next episode.